Greetings and welcome to Wednesday, September 18th, 2024. Today is Fed funds rate, where the general consensus is we're expecting the Fed to begin its rate cutting cycle. Of course, the media is all a frenzy about whether we're going to get a quarter point or a half a point, other than media reaction and investors maybe having knee-jerk reactions. I don't know that it really makes a huge difference. Half a point probably helps the mortgage industry a lot more. Quarter point would seem to be the prudent thing to do, but we'll see what happens. We will know the answer at 2 p.m. today, and we'll get statements from Chairman Powell as well. So. Exciting day to see if maybe we're on the downward trend of the cycle, the rate cycle. In the overnight, actually prior to midnight last night, at least Eastern time, we got the Roundhill XDTE and QDTE results. I've been checking the Yieldmax site this morning for the YMAX, YMAG, and ULTI results, but we'll refresh here real quick. Don't have anything posted as of yet. Roundhill's results were a little bit, I won't say disappointing, but we'll just say lackluster, perhaps. Looking here, we got on XDTE almost 20 cents per share. And if we go to QDTE, it was pretty much the same. We got about 19.5 cents per share. So if we go to the fund tracker, where I've been tracking the trailing average dividend and dividend growth rate. If we look at QDTE, we still have a trailing 13-week dividend growth rate of 43%. So that's a tick down from 45.5 or so from the previous week. This for both of these funds, this was the lowest dividend since June 6th. Where we had, let's see, on QDTE, we had 14.3 cents. If we scroll down here to XDTE, similar sort of thing, trailing 13-week dividend growth from tick down from 47 to 43%. Still paying a great dividend. I think for most of us invested in this fund, we'd like to see more than 20 cents, but we also probably don't have any expectation that they're going to knock it out of the park with 40 or 50 cents a week every time either. So, and again, like I said, this was the lowest dividend paid since June 6th. So we'll update the rest of the numbers. I keep track of, over here, you'll see where the yellow's highlighted. I just like to keep track of what the price per share was prior to the ex-dividend date, then after the ex-dividend, just to see how we're tracking compared to the payout with the actual price of the fund. So again, not horrible, but not fantastic either. One thing I would like to just address really quick is just as a new creator on YouTube, just starting to put together content. There seems to have been a little bit of drama in the high yield dividend, high yield investment YouTube creator community this last week. From my perspective, the best thing is just to ignore it. I find something of value from a lot of different sources out there, whether that's Retire on Dividends Now, whether that's the Oracle. Absolutely, our good friend Brad at Income Architect has just put some really good kind of to the point kind of stuff out there. Take what you get of value from each of these channels. and and appreciate the time and stuff that people are putting into doing some of this stuff. I don't know that anything anybody says, whether it's public or private or whatever else, needs to be answered. I think that just draws attention to it. We all have egos and things like that, and at the end of the day, if somebody says something, who cares? Who cares? Let it go. Just keep doing whatever it is you're doing, because there are people out there um, who are getting value out of it. At least from my perspective, that's how I view it. So anyway, that's all I got for now. And unless I'm going to take a really quick look before I end this, but I haven't seen, as of a few seconds ago, Yieldmax still hadn't updated their page. So nope, nothing there yet. Anyway, have a great day, everyone.